Delta 2472, RNAV to impasse, runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left, RNAV impasse, Delta 2472.
FedEx 1297, runway 26 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 26 left, FedEx 1297.
Landing clearance, Delta 1568.
Delta 1568, you are clear to land.
Somebody on the runway?
He's exiting now. Roger, flight 3500, keep it up through this one.
Delta 1568 going around.
Roger, flight 3500, keep it moving for me, please. Bravo Victor, ground point 9.
We're moving, yes. Bravo Victor, ground point 9.
Damn, boys.
Roger, flight 4409, taxi via Bravo Victor, non-Victor, ground point 9.
Bravo Victor over to ground, Victor for 2, flight 4409, we go.
Delta 2472, turn right, heading 360, climb and maintain 4000.
Right turn 360 up to 4000 for Delta 2472.
Affirmative, 4000.
4000, copy, 340 on the heading, Delta 2472.
Delta 2911, connect departure, farewell.
Departure 2011, see ya.
Delta 1568 going around.
Delta 1568, turn right, heading 360, climb maintain 4000.
Right, 360.
Delta 2472 responding RA.
Delta 2472, are you able to turn left again?
Stand by, Delta 2472. Delta 2472 on a heading of 340. What do you need from us?
Delta 2472. Delta 1568, turn left. Can you turn left?
We're in the left turn now, Delta 1568.
Okay, Delta 1568, thank you. Turn left. Delta 2472, turn right now, heading 090.
090, right turn, Delta 2472.
Delta 3883 AJ.
Delta 3883, you are clear to land, runway 26 right.
Clear to land, 26 right, Delta 3883.
Delta 1568, climb and maintain 4000, please.
Delta 4000, Delta 1568.
Okay, Delta 1568, are you still responding to the RA?
Negative. They're turned right, they're no factor.
Delta 2472, you can conduct departure.
Departure, Delta 2472.
Delta 1568, continue now, present heading. What's your heading?
Present heading is 300.
And Delta 1568, fly heading 300, maintain 4000.
300, 4000, Delta 1568.
Tower 2496 on Bravo.
Delta 1568, counter departure 123.47.
Say that again. Say the frequency again.
Delta 1568, 133.47.
3347, Delta 1568.
And Southwest 3883, clear land 26 right.
Yeah, the last controller cleared us to land 26 right, Southwest 3883.
Thank you.
Hey Tower, Frontier Flight 2496, we exited 26 right, we're on the Victor Loop, do you want us to go to ground?
Yes, and go ahead and contact ground point 9.
Ground point 9, Frontier 2496.